This is a car that has a color combination of exterior, interior, and convertible top that is absolutely fantastic. This is 2004 Chevrolet Corvette Commemorative Edition 1SC Convertible. It has 32,000 miles on it, and this is something to see. I absolutely have to say I absolutely love the color combinations on this car. Lemans Blue on the exterior, Shale on the interior. It has a Shale convertible top that looks great. And under the hood, 360 horsepower LS1 engine with 6-speed manual transmission. It's going to be fun, folks. Factory features include the $3,700 1SC Preferred Equipment Group. This includes the Commemorative Edition package, heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, auto-dimming rearview mirror, auto headlights, polished wheels that look absolutely great. Has the Bose CD stereo, fog lamps, dual power sport seats, the dual electronic zone climate control, power windows, power locks, power steering, power brakes, power mirrors, cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. Best of all, the car comes with a clean Carfax, and it is loaded with options. This 04 Corvette Commemorative Edition convertible shows just 32,624 miles. It's in good condition. Car's paint is in good condition, has a great shine. Now look, there are more detailed photos and the pricing on this car in the link right down below this video. So be able to click that, be sure to click it, and it'll take you to all those additional photos and information. The convertible top is in very good condition, and the factory polish wheels look great. The interior, as you can see, shows very good factory leather seats, very good carpet, door panels, steering wheel. Now, additions to this car include an Axleback Performance exhaust, Vortex cold air intake, silver rear bumper fill-ins, has a polished exhaust filler plate with a C5 logo, LS1 throttle body sticker, additional emblem for the airbox. So give us a call today. This is a fantastic car. It looks great outside and inside. And remember, all of our cars here are handpicked at buyavette.net. So give us a call, 770-414-5552. Be sure to subscribe to a YouTube channel, and you'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. So give us a call. We ship nationwide, much less expensive than you can imagine, and we specialize in online sales. You can buy with ease and confidence. We're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Hope to hear from you really soon.